guys, welcome back to the Tesla Commute vlog series. Not really a Tesla Commute today, I'm just driving around town, but wanted to try out this new handy dandy GoPro mount that I picked up. Seems to be a bit more stable. Hopefully the video is going to look better. Also at the same time, just offer up an update on the Tesla issue that I had the other day, where the car was not charging fully or not going all the way to the limit that I had preset. It was basically just stopping at 180, exactly 180, just stopping there. And I know full well that it should go to like 195, 197, somewhere around those range area. So I had called up Tesla that day and asked them for you know, their opinion. Basically the Tesla service center, they said they were going to run some remote diagnostics on the car, which they did, and or they said they will. I haven't heard back anything, but the next day, and this is no coincidence, I'm sure, there's no way, the next day I came out in the morning, car was charged to 193, and that's about where I'd expect it to be. So I was happy to see that. Whatever diagnostics they did, whatever commands they sent to the car to check that out, clear the cache on the computer or something, because the car charged like it should the next morning. So that's been all swell. Today, this morning, it was at 197 when I got out. So seems to be still charging fine, going strong. 96,000 miles. It's not at the 203 that they originally quoted the car as being. It may have lost a little bit of life over these 90,000 miles, but it's still charging to 195 plus, which is good. So I was happy to see that, because tomorrow we're taking a trip to Disneyland with this car from Phoenix, Arizona. So that's about 360-ish miles. We'll be stopping up at a couple different superchargers on the way, so that'll be an experience. It'll be fun. We'll try to get some images, some video of it, maybe. We'll see how things go, but yeah, so that'll be fun. And if I don't get anything posted up right away, I'll definitely have another vlog, an update on how the trip was and how the car did over that period. Driving it that long, I've never driven it that far. Basically, I've just driven it to work. That's about as far as we've gone with this thing in the last 2 years that I've owned it. So it'll be interesting to see how it does on a long road trip using the Tesla superchargers. I have used one here in town. It seems pretty fast, maybe not quite as fast as some people say, but that may just be the fact that this is a 2013, and I think maybe the chargers have been slightly upgraded. I was at the supercharger one day, and there was another guy there with the Model S, and he says, "Hey, what are you charging at?" We were just walking around outside. The weather was nice in the morning. So what are you charging at? And I look down at my app, and I was only charging at like 147 miles per hour of charge. And he's like, "Oh wow, that seems really low. What's going on there, I wonder?" So he looked at his, and his was 305, but he was driving a 2018 P90D. So who knows? Maybe the chargers on his car are just far better than the ones on my car. So anyways, that's how that goes. Hope this video looks good. If you like what you're seeing, like, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.